Meet Osmo Pocket, a compact, stabilized smart camera that was made to fit in every moment. Osmo Pocket puts the power of stable camera movement in the palm of your hand, allowing you to capture cinematic video anywhere, anytime. A compact 3-axis gimbal eliminates shake and jitter, giving you smooth video. Osmo Pocket is also your own camera crew. The versatile extension rod gives you even more control of your shot. In selfie mode, the camera automatically enters face track, keeping you in the shot as you explore your surroundings. For filming all your friends, Active Track is now more intuitive than ever. Simply tap on the subject and the camera follows its every move. Put your audience at the front of the action. FPV mode captures a more dynamic perspective, following the gimbal's orientation smoothly for fast-moving shots. Take Osmo Pocket on your underwater adventures with a waterproof case. Shoot with distortion-free clarity from the camera's wide-angle lens. Love the view? Take a motion lapse and the camera moves smoothly over time, allowing the scene to come to life. If one frame isn't enough for a complete picture, catch it perfectly with a seamless 3x3 panorama. With Night Shot, capture handheld long exposures and illuminate the night. Osmo Pocket introduces DJI Mimo, a new app that expands your creativity even further. Story mode adds movie magic to your clips with a variety of templates to choose from. Preset camera movements, effects, and music turn your everyday video into an instant hit. Osmo Pocket works seamlessly with your phone, allowing you to share your favorite moments with a single tap. It's just as easy to put away for whatever comes next. Osmo Pocket instantly captures smooth, stabilized video for wherever life takes you. It lets you turn all your moments, whether they're epic or everyday, into a story worth telling.
This is the Alpha 3, the innovative 4K camera that's going to change the way you shoot action video forever. Alpha 3 is the world's first action camera that features a 180-degree flip touchscreen. With the built-in Sony IMX577 image sensor, Alpha 3 provides next-level digital overlap HDR that keeps the picture looking good even in the worst conditions. And unlike GoPro Hero 7, Alpha 3 enables you to shoot video in HDR mode at up to 4K 60 frames per second, resulting in smoother and sharper videos with unmatched high quality. Powered by the revolutionary Ambarella H22 quad-core image processor, Alpha 3's gimbal-like stabilization is steady like a rock. And unlike the DJI Osmo Action, Alpha 3 allows for simultaneous stabilization while in HDR mode. So for the first time in the industry, you can get stable 4K video with improved HDR image quality whenever and wherever you need it. With the 240 frames per second resolution available for 8x super slow motion mode, you can capture every photo finish and every single drop of sweat, all in full 1080p. Alpha 3 even provides distortion correction on video shot at a regular angle, up to 4K 30 frames per second without any unwanted fisheye effect. It is also the only action camera that includes a unique mounting adapter so you can shoot with 3x telescope, macro, or any other 37mm. And if you need to get a little wet, Mokacam Alpha 3 Pro allows you to shoot up to 3 meters or up to 60 meters by attaching the waterproof case. So this is it, the most advanced action camera that has revolutionized the industry. Get your Alpha 3 today and be the first to experience this one of a kind.
The Insta360 One X is a new kind of camera. It shoots every moment from every angle in stunning 5.7K and 18 megapixels. Low-state stabilization is impossibly smooth. A 6-axis gyro means you don't need any gear. Just mount the 1X anywhere, and your footage comes out like butter. Attach our purpose-built selfie stick, and it disappears from your shot automatically. Once it's gone, you've got a flying camera. This is Time Shift. Effortlessly control time and perspective. With Stabilized 360, there are no limits. Mark off the best parts of your shot in any direction. The 1X connects them with ultra-smooth camera movements. Smart Track lets you follow any subject and keep it steady in center frame. Bullet Time puts you in the heart of the action. It's epic and easy. Suit up with the drifter case, then go airborne and capture impossible angles. The 1X is a new way to shoot. Time and perspective are both yours to shape. Don't just capture the moment, own it.
The E360 VR camera delivers stunning video and images in 360. This camera features professional-grade video quality with a 2.3-inch 12-megapixel Sony IMX377 sensor and 220 degrees f2.0 dual lens. On top of the camera is a 96 by 64 dot matrix OLED screen. Sound is recorded with 2 integrated microphones. It also comes with an HDMI port. Finally, you can immerse yourself in 360 degrees of truly vivid video, all captured from the palm of your hand.
Because I'm learning that a lot of my neighbors like to walk around their apartments naked. So